Slowing down a little, but it's still raining pretty hard. Thought I'd go around and take a video of behind the basement door for insurance purposes, although it has gone down on the door a little. It was up between 3 and 4 feet. It's less than that now. Nice weeds. Of course, all work on the house has come to a screeching stop. This was deeper a little while ago. This is a good sign, I guess. It's coming, standing water everywhere. This was up to the top of the stones a little while ago. I don't know if I can help it along. It's all mulch down here. It probably has the drain clogged. Great. Ouch. Somewhere under here is a drain. You guys see that mess in my book? Probably full of mulch. Oh, here's my baby. I thought I would build a dam. Well, there's what's left of my dam. Floating board in the wood. Oh, now it's getting heavier again. I hope that soon starts draining. Oh yeah, the rain picked up again.